Hi everybody, this is Josh. I wanted to start a new book with you. It is called The Case of the Scaredy Cats. Okay, go to the next slide. Girls are as good as boys. So this says girls. Yang Hao Nanhai. So I don't know the Chinese whether it's good or, but it's this girls and boys. Yang, they're the same, is what the girls are saying. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Scaredy Cats by Crosby Bonzal. Look at the girls. Where are they going? Somebody has a flower pot and a flower, hats, and a sign. Girls are as good as boys. And a broom. Girls, Snitch yelled. A broom, cried Wizard. A flower pot, said Tubby. A snow lady, said Skinny. Alright, let's review. We've got girls. Snitch. Snitch is one of these boys' name. Yelled is, he yelled, girls. A broom. So you can see the broom is here. Cried Wizard. So one of the boys' name is Wizard. Yelled and cried. They are the same. A flower pot. So here's the flower pot. And a flower. Said Tubby. One of the boys' name is Tubby. A snow lady. Usually we say a snowman, but here it is a snow lady because it's a girl, right? Okay, so let's repeat. Let's say it together. Girls, Snitch yelled. A broom, cried Wizard. A flower pot, said Tubby. A snow lady, said Skinny. I told you old Marigold and her gang moved in, Snitch said. What does that mean? I told you. 我跟你说. Old Marigold. Old 是老的. Marigold is a girl's name. And her gang. Gang, you could say this is a gang of boys. It's boys together. So Marigold is a girl and she has a gang of girls. They moved in. Moved in means that this is their clubhouse and the girls are in their clubhouse. But the clubhouse was not for girls. So, for girls means this clubhouse is for boys, not girls. The sign on the door said so. So, you see two signs here. One of the signs says no girls. So that's the one that they're talking about. It's not for girls. The sign on the door said so, not for girls. The clubhouse was for private eyes. Here you see private eyes, right? The sign on the door said so. Wizard and his brother Snitch and their friends Skinny and Tubby were private eyes. Private eyes I don't know the Chinese. It means if you want somebody to spy, maybe you know the word S-P-Y, spy. Spy and a private investigator are similar. They're not the same, but they're similar. Okay, moving on. The sign on the door said so. The wizard and his brother Snitch and their friends Skinny and Tubby were private eyes. Wizard was their leader. The sign on the door said so. So here it says the wizard. So that's one of the boys' name, the wizard. So wizard was a leader. So leader means he was the big boy. The sign on the door said so. Snitch said, "Can't they read?" So this must be Snitch. He's saying that, right? He's pointing at it. Can't they read? Or maybe this is Snitch. I don't know. Anyway, let's read one more time. I told you old Marigold and her gang moved in. Snitch said, but the clubhouse was not for girls. The sign on the door said so. The clubhouse was for private eyes. The sign on the door said so. Wizard and his brother Snitch and their friends Skinny and Tubby were private eyes. Wizard was their leader. The sign on the door said so. Snitch said, "Can't they read?" Aha, here is Marigold. So this must be the girl. Marigold came out. Well, we use came as 过去的 come. And come is 过来. So she came out. That means 去外面. Go back. So Marigold came out. She said, "Let us join your club." So times what? Join means 加入. So us means the girls. We want to join your club, or if you don't let us join, you stay out. Stay out means 你住外面. You cannot go in, right? Then she slammed the door. It means that she closed the door really hard. Hard means 大力. So she might have been angry, right? Alright, let's read again. Marigold came out. She said, "Let us join your club, or you stay out." Then she slammed the door hard. This is going to be our last page, okay? How do we get them out? So they want the girls out of their clubhouse. "We can't hit them," Skinny said. "Why not?" Snitch wanted to know. "They're girls," Tubby told them. So many boys, they think you cannot hit girls, right? So how do we get them out? Let's say this together. How do we get them out? "We can't hit them," Skinny said. "Why not?" Snitch wanted to know. "They're girls," Tubby told them. Alright, well that's where I'm going to end. Bye-bye.